Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use iOS 13's new feature Silence Unknown Callers.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
This new iOS 13 feature stops strangers and spam callers from ringing your iPhone. Your iPhone will only ring if you know the person calling. Everyone else will go straight to voicemail. Let's see how to use this feature. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom and find Phone from the list of options. Tap on this. Again, scroll down and find Silence Unknown Callers. By default, it is disabled. Now, slide the switch to the on position. And it is enabled. With the feature enabled, the only time an incoming call will make your iPhone ring if the phone number is found on your contacts. Any other calls will go directly to voicemail. If you want to disable, again toggle up this button. In this way, you can use iOS 13's new feature, Silence Unknown Callers.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.